What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode, another sneaker invest episode, wherein I'm gonna share you the one that I sold on Goat StockX and every platform that I'm selling. But today I'm sharing you the one that I sold on Goat and StockX. Not that much, but not bad for resale investment. And I'm gonna share you some tips and tricks along the way. So without further ado, let's go. So StockX, we are looking for a 33, and it's supposed to be right here. Looking for the size 8. It's supposed to be right here. How much it is? Oh, the size 11 and a half. I got them for $79.97. So this is the size 8. There we go. And we sold this on StockX for $128. And as you can see right here, we got the Jordan 33 SE. The colorway is black, fire red, practical gray, and that is a really nice bottom right there. Yeah, very good, nice technology for a basketball shoes. And bought them for $79.97 minus the 30% off discount. So that will be I will be making $72 of profit. So that is way more than 100% return of investment. Yes. Okay, moving on. Oh no, I sold size 11, but I don't have size 11 no more. I only got 10 and a half, 12. Uh-oh, I'm out of stock of the size 11, so we have to cancel this one. So let's go and go. Okay, should be right here. AY04. I'm looking for the Air Max 270 Premium. Here you go. Diffused blue. I'm looking for the size 10 and a half. There we go. 10 and a half. Okay, so we got the Air Max 270 Premium, size 10 and a half. Retail is $170, and I bought this for $59.97. No, $59.99 with the additional 20% off, not 30. Okay, 20% off. So came down to $47.99, and I sold it for $80.97 minus the 2.9% off. 2.9%. This piece from PayPal came down to $78.62. My profit will be somewhere $78.62 minus the buy cost of $47.99, came down to $30.63. So that should be somewhere 70% return of investment. Wow, not bad. Another more than 50% return of investment. Moving on. Supposed to be around here. Okay, and I'm looking for the size 9. Okay, there we go. This is the women's React Element 55 both gray colorway, and I bought this for $49.97 with the additional 30% off. Came down to $34.97. I sold them for $65.44 minus the buy cost of $64.97. came down to 30.47. It's almost 90% return of investment. Look at this really nice good shoes. Well, the hype is gone. You can buy them way below retail price. Okay, moving on. We still have we sold on StockX. We are looking for the Nike Air Vapor Max 2019 and AY07. Looking for the size 11 and 11, and there we go. So we are looking on the Air Vapor Max 2019. The retail on this one is $190. Bought them for $84.97. So that will be somewhere minus 30% off, somewhere 63-ish, 63-ish, and I sold them for $190.48 minus the buy cost, which is 63. Came down to my profit of $56, so that would be somewhere 5% return of investment. Well, that's a lot already. That's a good one. So now we are looking for Air Vapor Max Flyknit 3. Should be right here. Okay, so we got 10, 10, 10 and a half, looking for size 12, and here we go, size 12. So we are looking on Air Vapor Max Flyknit 3. Retail on this one is $190. Bought them for $89.97. Additional 30% off. Came down to $63. I sold them for $121.70 minus the 2.9% PayPal fees, so that is somewhere $118.17 minus the buy cost of $63, and my profit is $53.7. that is almost 85% return of investment. Boom. Hey, another good sale for 85% return of investment. Okay, moving on. We are looking for my 2019 Lime Blast. Should be somewhere AY07. Okay. It's the last pair. Alright. Here we go. Air Vapor Max 2019 Premium Lime Blast. Okay, there we go. So I bought this Air Vapor Max 2019. The retail on this one is how much? $190. I bought them for $59.97. That is not updated one. I believe already sold the other one with the correct sticker, which is $89.97. So this one's additional 30% off, and then that should be $63. And how much did I sold them? I sold them for $104.86 after the 2.9% PayPal fees. This should be, and then minus 63 by cost, 41.86 is my profit. Wow, another 65% return of investment. Hey, okay, another one, last one. So it's almost another tip for you to resell is aim for a little bit higher. Not always just 30%. If you are looking for something, go for a somewhere 60 to 70 return of investment. So just in case if they are price tanking, you have more room for adjustments to make it lower, so you won't take a loss. Okay, looking for, now we're looking for Air Max 1. So looking for AZ05. No, not here. Should be AZAY06. Okay. Yep, AY06 should be right here. And it's looking for size 10. Right. I've got more than half. That is the last 3 pairs. I was thinking to have me there. I don't want to keep it because I don't have an Air Max 1 in my collection yet. Okay. Alrighty. Boom. So we are looking into Nike Air Max 1 Thunder Gray, size 10. The retail on this one is 110. I sold about this for $79.97 with the additional 30% off. That came down to $55.97, and I sold them 87.40 after the 2.9% PayPal fees. So minus the buy cost of $55.97, that should be $31.43. It is somewhere 60% return of investment. Ooh, check that out. Wow, what do you think? Looks cool, looks really nice and just simple. Oh, I'm tempted to keep the other one, but anyway, 60% return of investment, not bad for the almost of what we sold is not less than 50% return of investment. So what do you think? And that is all what we sold from StockX and Goat. So what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Also comment down below, and I hope you learned something new on today's vlog, what I sold on StockX and Goat. So one tip that I already said is go for a higher return of investment. So almost what we sold here is not just 50% return of investment, is almost way above the 50% return of investment, because if you are starting off, you just need to make sure make a room for adjustment, just in case a lot of reseller got same shoes that you have, and then they are price tanking, then you'll be just left behind with a little or less than a profit. So if you're starting off, make sure at least go for a 50% return of investment or higher. But if you want to go somewhere 30% return of investment, make sure that the volume of the item is like they are going fast, like in a couple weeks, you know, or if you know that in a couple days they will gone that fast, really quick, that you can sold them, take the 30%. But if you knew that it's gonna be a long tail, then aim for 50%. I hope you got that message. But anyway, I would love to hear your thought. Please leave a comment down below, and please give a likes for YouTube algorithm. It's free, okay? But that will be all on this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you like it. As I said, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Nolasco here as always. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Peace. Please take care.